This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to use bold tag. You have to open Notepad++ software. At first, you have to input the HTML structure. I am typing doc type HTML. I am starting HTML tag. Here HTML tag start. Then here HTML tag close. Just click in the middle of the HTML tag and press some enter. Now I want to input head tag start, then head tag close. I want to input body tag, so I am typing body, here body start, then here body close. Then I want to input footer tag, here footer start, then footer close. Now I want to input title tag in the middle of the head tag, so I am clicking in the middle of the head tag and pressing enter sometime. Then I am typing the title tag start, then title tag close. Now I want to input the title in the middle of the title tag. This is my this is the practice of bold tag. This is the practice of bold tag. Now I want to input the bold tag in the middle of the body tag, so I am clicking in the middle of the body, then pressing some enter. Bold tag start, then bold tag close. Now you have to input the text in the middle of the bold tag. This is the practice of bold tag. As usual, you have to save this HTML document. Just click on save icon, then select the desktop. You have to find the web design folder. This is the web design folder. Just double click on it, then select the file name and type bold. Then you have to change the save as type. Just click on here and you have to find the hypertext markup language file. This is the hypertext markup language file. Just click on it, then click on save. Now you have to close this HTML document. Just click on close icon. Then close the Notepad++ software. Now open web design folder. Right click on the bold tag and move your mouse pointer to open with. Then you can select any browser from here. I want to open the HTML file with Google Chrome, so I am clicking on Google Chrome. You can see the HTML file is successfully run on my computer. I hope you are able to learn how to use HTML bold tag.